Namaskara. Welcome to the YouTube channel Code with Sharat. Today we will be discussing on the data types in JavaScript. The data types, there are two types. One is primitive data types. The other one is object types. So in this today's session, we will be discussing in detail on the JavaScript data types. Let's get started. Creating a new file called datatypes.js. Okay. So as I said, there are two types of data types in JavaScript. One is primitive data types, and the other one is object types. When you come from the other programming languages like C++, there will be like primitive data types and non-primitive data types. In JavaScript, there are primitive data types and object types. Okay. So what is primitive data type means? Primitive data types are the data types which can hold a single value, and whereas the object data types can hold one or more value. Let us see what are all the primitive data types in JavaScript. There are 7 primitive data types in JavaScript. Let us see one by one. First, string. So to store a string value in JavaScript, I am taking let first name equal to Sharat. Yeah. So let is the keyword. First name is the variable name, and it is holding the value Sharat, and first name is holding the string value. In JavaScript, you can initialize a string value to the variable using a single quotes and double quotes. There is no difference in using single quotes and double quotes in JavaScript. And the second one is number. So when you come from a different programming language like Python and Ruby, there like the numbers, in numbers only there will be integer type and a floating type. But in JavaScript, both integer and floating type are belonging to the data type called numbers. So let us see now. Let I am creating a variable called product price equal to 35, and let I'm creating another variable called discount is equal to 10.5. So let us see what is the type of the both these variables holding. To see what type of data does the variable is holding, we can use the method called type of. Okay. This is the method. Using this method, you can see what type of data is stored in a particular variable. So I'm writing console.log type of product price. So I will run this file and check. Yeah, as you can see, it is a number. Same I will repeat for discount variable. So as I said, both the floating point and the integer are belonging to the a data type called number. The next data type is undefined. So in JavaScript, any variable which is initialized and not assigned to any value to that variable, by default that variable will be holding undefined. So I am creating a variable called place, and I am just initializing this variable and not assigning any value into it. So I will do the console.log of place. So as you see, it is giving us undefined. So any variable which is declared but not assigned any value into it, by default the value held by that variable is undefined. Next data type is null. So when I'm creating a variable called g equal to null, so null also, like, it means like this variable g is holding not holding any value. Okay. So you can say it is empty. Next, let us see the other variable which is rarely used, I can say, like begin. Let num equal to, so you have to use begin of, can send value, let's see. So if you do the console.log, actually begin is used for to store huge value. Yeah, as it is returning the begin. Yes. The next type in JavaScript is symbol, and this is also, it is very rarely used. Let m equal to, you have to use a symbol that you can pass a string. Hello. It will return like this symbol, and okay. Yeah, we have like we have seen string, number, undefined, null, begin, and symbol. The another data type is boolean. So let is present equal to, so boolean will be holding either a true or a false value. Okay. Console.log is present. Yes. So as you can see, there are 7 data types: string, number, undefined, null, begin, symbol, and boolean. These are the 7 primitive data types, and type of is the method by using which you can find what type of variable, what type of value is stored in that particular variable. So coming to the object types, there are 2, like actually it is considered as one, like objects and arrays. Even arrays are also considered objects. We will discuss more into this in the coming class. Like for just as of now, we will consider as both as different. Uh, so object data types. So like I'm initializing one array equal to this is an array I'm printing. Let me see what is the type this numbers holding. So as I said, even arrays are also considered as objects. It returns as objects. And the other one is I will create one contact details object. So it's a flower bucket. Objects, it is nothing but a key value pair. So here name is the key and the value which is holding is share. So this is generally an object. See, and let me check what is this type. It will also return the object also object. Okay, as I said. So since these two are totally different, but in JavaScript both are considered as one. So, but this is an array for our understanding, and array, and this is an object. So we have seen all the primitive data types and object types in this today class, and that's it for today's session. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.